Icons of Modern Management, From Drucker to Kotler. Part 1. From Drucker to Kotler, Icons of Modern Management explores the influential thinkers who revolutionized business strategy, leadership, and marketing. Visionaries like Peter Drucker and Philip Kotler laid the foundation for modern corporate success. Their groundbreaking ideas continue to shape management practices across the globe. 1. Adam Smith, year 1723 to 1790. Adam Smith was a Scottish economist and philosopher known as the father of economics. His seminal work, The Wealth of Nations, laid the foundation for classical free market economic theory. He introduced the concept of the invisible hand guiding market forces. 2. William Henry Gates III, year 1955. Bill Gates is the co-founder of Microsoft and one of the world's most influential technology entrepreneurs. He revolutionized personal computing and later focused on philanthropy through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His vision helped shape the digital age. 3. William Forsyth Sharpe, year 1934. William Sharpe is an American economist and Nobel laureate recognized for his work on investment theory. He developed the Sharpe ratio, a widely used measure of risk-adjusted return. Sharpe also co-created the Capital Asset Pricing Model, CAPM. 4. Adi Godrej, year 1942. Adi Godrej is an Indian industrialist and chairman of the Godrej Group. Under his leadership, the company expanded into diverse sectors including consumer goods, real estate, and agriculture. He is known for ethical business practices and social responsibility. 5. Alan Greenspan, year 1926. Alan Greenspan served as chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve from 1987 to 2006. He was a key figure in shaping American monetary policy during major economic events. His decisions influenced global markets and economic thought. 6. Warren Buffett, year 1930. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors in history. He is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett advocates value investing and long-term financial discipline. 7. Thomas J. Tom Peters, year 1942. Tom Peters is a leading management thinker and co-author of In Search of Excellence. His work focuses on innovation, customer service, and leadership. Peters inspires managers to embrace change and pursue excellence. 8. Alfred Marshall, year 1842-1924. Alfred Marshall was a British economist who helped establish microeconomics as a formal field. His book Principles of Economics introduced concepts like price elasticity and marginal utility. Marshall's theories deeply influenced modern economic thought. 9. Amartya Kumar Sen, year 1933. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist and Nobel laureate known for his work on welfare economics and development. He introduced the capabilities approach to measuring human well-being. Sen has significantly influenced global policy on poverty and inequality. 10. Sir Richard Charles Nicholas Branson, year 1950. Richard Branson is a British entrepreneur and founder of the Virgin Group, encompassing over 400 companies. Known for his adventurous spirit and branding genius, he redefined customer service across industries. Branson is also a notable philanthropist and environmental advocate. 11. Steve Jobs, year 1955 to 2011. Steve Jobs was the co-founder of Apple Inc. and a pioneer in personal computing, smartphones, and digital media. His design vision and marketing brilliance transformed global technology. Jobs remains a symbol of innovation and creative leadership. 12. C.K. Pralad, year 1941 to 2010. C.K. Pralad was an Indian-American business strategist and author of The Fortune at the Bottom of the Pyramid. He advocated inclusive capitalism and strategic intent. Pralad significantly influenced modern management theory and innovation in emerging markets. 13. Dame Anita Lucia Roddick, year 1942 to 2007. Anita Roddick was the founder of The Body Shop and a pioneer of ethical consumerism. She championed cruelty-free beauty products and fair trade. Roddick blended activism with business, reshaping the cosmetics industry. 14. Samuel Moore Walton, year 1918 to 1992. Sam Walton was the founder of Walmart, the world's largest retail chain. He revolutionized retail with a focus on low prices and efficient supply chains. Walton's vision made him a symbol of American entrepreneurship. 15. Raymond Albert Kroc, year 1902 to 1984. Ray Kroc transformed McDonald's into a global fast food empire. His emphasis on consistency, efficiency, and franchising changed the food industry. Kroc's business model became a benchmark in franchising success. 16. Dheeraj Hirachand, Dhirubhai Ambani, year 1932 to 2002. Dhirubhai Ambani was the founder of Reliance Industries, one of India's largest conglomerates. From humble beginnings, he built a corporate empire spanning petrochemicals, telecom, and retail. He inspired a generation of Indian entrepreneurs. 17. Vijay Govindarajan, year 1949. Vijay Govindarajan is a management thinker best known for the concept of reverse innovation. He focuses on strategic innovation and emerging markets. Govindarajan is a professor at Dartmouth and a thought leader in global strategy. 18. Ram Charan, year 1939. Ram Charan is a renowned business advisor and author who has worked with Fortune 500 source. His practical insights on leadership, execution, and growth are widely respected. Charan has authored several best-selling management books. 19. Rakesh Khurana, year 1967. Rakesh Khurana is a professor at Harvard Business School and a scholar of leadership and management. He is also the dean of Harvard College. Khurana focuses on the role of purpose and ethics in business education. 20. Frederick Winslow Taylor, year 1856 to 1915. Frederick Taylor was the pioneer of scientific management. He introduced time and motion studies to improve industrial efficiency. Taylor's principles laid the groundwork for modern operational management. 21. Indra Krishnamurthy Nui, year 1955. Indra Nui is an Indian-American business leader who served as CEO and chairperson of PepsiCo. She is known for driving sustainable growth through performance with purpose. Nui is one of the most influential women in global business. 22. Philip Kotler, year 1931. Philip Kotler is hailed as the father of modern marketing. His work defined marketing management as a core discipline, and his textbooks are foundational in business education. Kotler's ideas transformed how companies engage with customers. 23. Peter Ferdinand Drucker, year 1909 to 2005. Peter Drucker was a legendary management consultant, educator, and author. Often called the father of modern management, he introduced concepts like management by objectives. Drucker's insights shaped 20th century corporate structure and leadership. 24. Jeffrey Preston Bezos, year 1964. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon and a driving force behind e-commerce innovation. Under his leadership, Amazon transformed from a bookstore into a global tech giant. Bezos also founded Blue Origin to advance space exploration. 25. Jahangir Ritanji Dadabhoy, year 1904 to 1993. J.R.D. Tata was a pioneering Indian industrialist and former chairman of Tata Group. He expanded the group into aviation, steel, and hospitality. Tata was known for visionary leadership and corporate responsibility. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.